Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to set time and date on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here, click on Start, and then come to the top right here. Go ahead and make sure you type in Control Panel right here, Control Panel, just like so. Then go ahead and click on Control Panel. And this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and navigate to clock and region. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on date and time. So this window here is going to pop up right here. So right here, what you need to do is go ahead and click on change date and time. And this is going to pop up right here. So here you have to set your date, and here you can set your time right here. Once you are done, go ahead and click on OK. Then go ahead and hit on OK and apply. And the time and date will be correctly set in your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.